Can an LLC deduct health insurance premiums? Yes, an LLC can deduct health insurance premiums, but how it works depends on the LLC's tax classification. For single-member LLCs taxed as sole proprietorships, the owner can usually deduct health insurance premiums on their personal tax return if they are not eligible for coverage through another job or spouse. For multi-member LLCs taxed as partnerships, the premiums can be deducted as guaranteed payments to the members. Each member then reports the premiums as income, but may be able to deduct them on their personal return. If the LLC is taxed as an S-corporation or C-corporation, different rules apply. In an S-corp, owners who hold more than 2% of shares must include premiums in their wages, but can still take a personal deduction. In a C-corporation, the business can generally deduct the premiums as a business expense, and employees may receive coverage tax-free. Zen Business can form your LLC and help you choose the right tax setup so you know how deductions like health insurance premiums apply. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.